Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Twitter API v2. First, navigate to the developer portal and set up your project and app. This crucial step provides you with the necessary API keys and tokens. You will typically start with Essential Access, which allows up to 500,000 tweets per month. Elevated Access offers more capabilities, including 1 million tweets monthly. The Twitter API v2 offers powerful endpoints for various data needs. The Tweets Lookup endpoint lets you fetch up to 100 tweets by ID, providing rich data. For user profiles, the user's lookup endpoint is invaluable, allowing you to retrieve up to 100 users at once. Real-time data is accessible through filtered stream endpoints, which can deliver up to 10,000 tweets per second. Secure authentication is paramount when working with the API. OAuth 2.0 is the recommended method for authenticating your applications, ensuring robust security. Always keep your API keys and tokens confidential. Never embed them directly in client-side code. Be mindful of rate limits, which typically allow up to 300 requests per 15-minute window for many endpoints to maintain smooth operation. The Twitter API v2 enables a wide array of applications. You can build powerful tools for social listening, analyzing public sentiment, or tracking trending topics. It's also excellent for automating content posting and managing online communities efficiently. For advanced use, consider exploring features like Spaces and direct message events, which offer even deeper integration possibilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.